Well, there's kind of two options. There's going directly to a machine shop and working with them, and then you have to have that relationship with the machine shop, or there's these sort of conglomerators where you don't know where your part's coming from, and they manage it and they sort of give you a promise. Jiga is a really nice combination of those two, where we have the benefits of a platform with a lot of customer-facing interface that's easy for us to use, while also being a real machine shop that you can talk to engineer to engineer and work through challenges directly. It's unique in that it's putting those two pieces together, the usability of a platform with direct contact with suppliers. Nova is a product development company, and we work with a range of clients, from innovative startups to industry leaders. So one of the challenges we face when sourcing parts is communicating with a bunch of different suppliers over email and managing a lot of streams of information, PowerPoints, different sources of truth, and even file sharing. Keeping track of revisions can be tricky. So one of the benefits of working with a partner like Jiga is that the platform really streamlines that communication, gives us one place to look for our communications with the supplier, and even lets us, put comments directly on a CAD file. So it's very clear to everyone, when we say we want an M5 screw in this hole, it's this hole, and there's a comment right there on that hole. Some other companies that we've worked with, they'll have suppliers that they use to make parts, or different machine shops, but it's kind of a big black hole. You really don't know who's making your part. If there's any issues, you have to go through the company. It's very sort of like, opaque. And with Jiga, we have that transparency, that open communication, and direct access to the supplier, and that makes a big difference in the quality of the parts and being able to work through any challenges that we have as the manufacturing's happening.
Aesthetic is a huge part of the process, and it's a really integral thing that we really need to show to a client in order to keep them trusting us and working with us. So final quality is a big effort. And with Jiga, we really have complete control over what we want our final products to look like. That confidence and transparency is something that's been hugely beneficial for us.
They really do vet their suppliers. So we know that the supplier is standing for their quality, and Jiga is also standing for their quality. And so they were able to be very competitive on price and lead time in a way that other domestic suppliers are not.
We're just kind of learning and understanding just how much of a positive change it's been for us. So as far as turnaround time, and again, the visibility that we have for clients is big. When we're a whole team all having eyes on one project, it's really easy to be able to click through and see which part you're referencing and where each comment pinpoints, and it makes it a lot easier for us to work as a team on one thing.
Yeah, it's quickly become a favorite go-to platform for quoting, and especially in early stages. It's my new thing that I recommend to anyone on our team when they need quotes for a part.
Our communication standard is really high with who we work with, and Jiga totally matches that, and that's great.
We get the feeling of knowing someone down the street who's machining our part with the whole world of suppliers available to us.